using the multi-step equations. Step 1, observe the given. Meron po ulit tayong fraction. Anong ginagawa kapag may fraction tayo? I-convert natin lahat yan sa whole number. Paano po i-convert yung given fraction sa whole number? Multiply both sides of the equation by the denominator. Ano yung denominator ng fraction? 3. Multiply natin both sides by 3. Para matanggal tong fraction na to. Multiply first. 3 times 8. 24. Is equal to 3 times 2. 6 divided by 3. Magiging 2x na lang siya. Nawala na yung fraction. Minus 2 times 3. 6. So, meron na tayong new equation. Then after that, combine similar terms na. How to combine similar terms? Identify mo muna. Ano po ba yung similar terms natin dito? 24 and negative 6. Tama po ba yung position ng variable natin? Anong gagawin po? Ililipat. What will be the sign of 2x now? Magiging negative 2x na siya. And then si 6x ba ililipat din? Hindi po. So, bring down lang siya. Ano po ang ililipat sa right side? 24. What will be the sign of 24 na? Magiging negative na rin. Then simplify na po. Negative 2x is equal to anong sign ni 6? Negative. Sign ni 24. Both negative. Plus minus. Plus 6 plus 24. 30. What will be the sign of 30? Okay, negative. Okay, then after that, last step. Divide both sides by what? By negative 2. Cancel na po yan. Bring down x. Negative divided by negative. Positive 30 divided by 2. Okay, therefore the answer is 15 using the transposition method. This time, check natin yung property of equality. Okay, first, apply symmetric property of equality. Ano yung symmetric? If A is equal to B, then B is equal to A. Or just simply interchange. Pagpalitin lang yung position, bakit pinalit? Kasi kailangan anak yung variable mapunta agad sa left side. Nasa left side na. Step number 2 is, we need to eliminate negative 2, which is the value of B. So what is the additive inverse of negative 2? Positive 2. So add both sides by positive 2. Ito po yun. Addition property of equality. Cancel na siya. Then anong natiran? 2/3 x is equal to 8 plus 2. 10. Ito na po yan. Then meron tayong fraction. How to eliminate fraction? Multiply, pwede kay denominator, or pwede din po sa kanyang reciprocal. Ano reciprocal ng 2/3? 3/2. So multiply both sides by 3/2. Check natin. 3 times 2. 6. 2 times 3. 6. Magiging ganito na po siya. Then, ito po. 3 times 10. 30 divided by 2. Okay, 50 na po yan. Ito na po yan. Equal ba? Okay, therefore, the value of x is 15.